Good morning class 2. Let's start new chapter from social studies, chapter 17, R. See the picture, this is R. So what is the shape of R? Of course, round. It looks like a ball, isn't it? We live on the earth. Plants and animals also live on the earth. The earth is a ball of rock. Its surface is made up of land and water. It is surrounded by air. We need land, water and air to live. So, where we live on the earth, and our earth is surrounded by a layer of air, isn't it? Our earth is made up of land and water, and our earth is a ball of rock. Okay. We need land, water and air to live, isn't it? So we need air, water and land to live. Our earth is the third planet from the sun. There were 8 planets in our solar system, isn't it? So our earth is the only planet where life can survive or where we can live, because earth has land, air and water, which is needed by human beings, which is very important for all living organism. Understood? Now, different types of land. So, on earth there are different types of land. Plain. Flat land is called a plain. Many rivers and streams flow through plains. Many people live and grow crops here. So, flat land is called plain, isn't it? Many people live and grow crops here. So, plain soil is good for agriculture, isn't it? So, that is why many people grow crops in plains. And highlands are called hills. Hills are cooler than the plains. So, highlands are called hills and hills are cooler than the plains. Lowland between two hills is called a valley. So, lowland between two hills is called a valley. Very high hills are called mountains. Often mountains are covered with snow. Very high hills are called mountains, and mountains are always covered with snow. This snow melts to form river. So, the snow melts to form river. Next one is, more than half of the earth is covered with water. Water is present in streams, rivers, lakes, seas and water. So children, our earth is made up of land and water, isn't it? This blue color, can you see? It indicates that these blue colors are water, okay? Because half of our earth is made up of land and water. Our earth is made up of land and water, and half of our earth is covered with water. Water is present in streams, rivers, lakes, seas and oceans. So, on earth, water is present in rivers, streams, lakes, seas and ocean. A sea is a large body of water. Big seas are called ocean. Rain is an important source of water. So, big seas are called ocean. Okay, so large body of water is called a sea and big seas are called ocean. And rain is an important source of water, as we all know that, as we have already read in science also. Rain is the main source of water. Rainwater collects in ponds, wells, lakes, rivers and seas. When it is raining, rainwater collects in ponds, isn't it? Collects in ponds, river, lakes and streams. All plants and animals need water to live. We need water to drink, bath, cook and wash clothes. So, all plants and animals or living beings or living organisms need water to live. So we need water to drink, bath, cook and wash clothes. So we need water for many purposes like cooking, cleaning, isn't it? Bathing and washing clothes and many more. Water is home to many kinds of animals such as fishes and crocodiles. Farmers use water to grow crops. So water is home for many kinds of animals, isn't it? Water animals like frogs, crocodile, dolphin, whales, octopus, these all are water animals. So water are home for these all animals. Farmers use water to grow crops. So farmers use water from tube wells, isn't it, to irrigate their crops. The flowing water is used to make electricity. So the flowing water is used to make electricity. That means we get electricity from water also. That is why water is very precious. We should not waste water. So water is only available on our Earth, not other planet. There is a thin layer of air around the Earth. We breathe in air. So there is a thin layer of air which we cannot see with our eyes. Okay. So that is called air, which is surrounded by Earth. We breathe in air. Plants and animals also need air to breathe. So plants and animals also need air to breathe, also need water to live, also need food to live. So these all things we can get on our Earth only. Understood?